Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we discuss what is mean by probability mass function. If capital X is a discrete random variable with different values, one is x1, x2, x3 and so on, xn and so on, then probability of capital X equal to small xi, that is equal to p of pi, then the function p of x is called probability mass function. Provided p of I equal to 1, 2, 3 and etc. satisfies the following conditions. One is probability of xi is greater than or equal to 0 for all I equal to 1, 2, 3. So which means probability of any values, it's always what? It is greater than or equal to 0 and it gives positive only. And second one is sum of probability of xi equal to 1. If you add all probabilities, you should get answer is what? 1. It is called probability mass function. I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.